Hey, this is such a beautiful day. What is this firework thingy? Man, I don't know. A long time ago, it was my birthday, but they still have my birthday decorations up. Oh well. Oh, geez, where am I? Whoa. This is beyond crazy. Oh my God. You don't, dude. Someone doesn't actually put springs and put them off the sky. That's dangerous. They should be ashamed of themselves. Oh well. Even though I'm still a hedgehog, and if I land on my feet and get back up. I don't know why I'm standing on the clouds. I don't know why I have the clouds in here. Oh goodness, I almost fell. Ooh, guardrail. Oh, I'm a little nervous. I think I'm a little naughty. That would actually make me sick. I like super beautiful. Wait! Oh, geez. Gosh. Oh my gosh, Whoa, jeez. Oh my goodness. This is really almost super fun. Oh, I'm so high up. Are you afraid of heights or something? I don't know. Let's just move on. All right, here we go. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my God! Fireworks! That is amazing. That is super amazing. Oh my God! Oh my goodness! My birthday so far a long time ago. Okay. Here we go! Whee! Woohoo! I can't wait to land on my feet. Oh my goodness, landing on my feet is such a serious threat. Here we go. That was a good birthday so far. Well, it's not my birthday today now. A long time ago. It was very fun today. It was very fun.